Hi, I'm Shane Nelson, and I'm going to demo the WCMS eRestaurant package to you. The system has security, as you can see. You need a password to log in. There are two roles. One is for an administrator, which has complete access to the package, and then we have an operator's level role, which has limited access. In that sense, you can only do day-to-day activities and stuff. All the other stuff, which is like the financials and stuff, are restricted to this user. So log in as the administrator and type 777 and hit the accept button. As you can see, when you come into the system, you get the system dashboard, and you have everything that you need to operate the system. On this dashboard, you have the point of sales, you have float and petty cash, purchases, create stock codes, and many other programs that you need to run the point of sale system. So what we'll do is we'll start off with the point of sale for the restaurants, and I'll double click the point of sale icon, and you're brought into the point of sale screen. On the top, you have two menus. You have the dine-in menu and you have the takeaway menu. Some restaurants might just have takeaway, some might have dine-in, so it can be customized. There's no problem or no issues with that. This restaurant, we set it up for dine-in and takeaway. The dine-in prices are slightly different to the takeaway prices. We'll just take an order. We'll start off by taking a dine-in order. Let's say we'll pick an entree. We'll pick bread, and we'll have two of that. As you can see, the quantity doubles automatically when you click the button more than once. We choose a drink. Okay, we'll have a milkshake, and the menu over here where it has the alphabet laid out is a hotkey menu. If, for example, you choose entrees and you want to find out within the entrees everything that starts with O, you click the letter O and it brings up everything that starts with O. Similarly, if you click the letter B, there's nothing under B. If you click the letter H, there's nothing under that either. If you click the letter P, you get everything that starts with P. So it's kind of like helps you to quickly find items when you have a large menu. That's the purpose of the hotkey program there. You close it, and then you have save order here. Before you save order, I have to select a table, so I'll just select table number 1, and then I hit save order. Okay. So when I hit the save order button, what happens in the background is if you have a kitchen printer connected to the system, it will print everything that needs to go to the kitchen. And if there were any drinks from the bar, it would, and there's a bar printer connected, it would send only the items that are required to be prepared at the bar to be printed at the bar printer. So this system, you can say which items need to go to the kitchen, and you can delegate items that need to go to the bar, and any other printer in this. You can have more than one printer. Normally it's just two. It's the kitchen and the bar printer, or you can have even if there are any other. If you need to add another printer, you can, and you can delegate items to that printer as well. So as you can see, you have the dine-in order saved over here where you can see all the orders. Now let's say you want to recall the order and do an add-on. You just select it by clicking on it and click on the select button here, and it brings your order up. Let's say I want to add a dessert, so I click on the dessert item here and I say a mango ice cream, and that tops it up with a mango ice cream, and I say save order, and what happens is it saves the order. Alright, we'll just do a takeaway as well. So if you want to do a takeaway order, you hit takeaway. Here you can type the name of the person, so I will just type my name in there, and let's just say you'll do an entree. We'll pick a rice out, and we'll pick a dessert, hit close, and you have the option here where you say pick up and delivery. So if you're doing a delivery, you click delivery, it prints a delivery docket to you. It prints a kitchen docket which goes to the kitchen. If it's pickup, it just prints a kitchen docket, and it prints an order docket. All right, so we'll just put it on a pickup in this case here. And as you can see, the order on the top, number 7, order number 7 is the takeaway because it's got the customer name there and it says pickup on the side here. And order number 6 is a dine-in because it's got the table number. Now let's say the customers are ready to make the payment. The pickup customer has come to pick his stuff up and make the payment. So you just select the order and click on the select button. It brings the order up, and then you simply just enter it. Let's put it under FPOS, for example. It automatically defaults 1850, and say OK, end sale. And as you can see, the sale is now processed and is being put into the system. Similarly, with dine-in order, you just click on dine-in, brings the order up. For argument's sake, let's say the customer pays $10 in cash, so you click on the $10 bill there, say OK, and then the balance we put on FPOS. So we click on ETF, automatically defaults the balance of $750, and say OK, end sale. And yep, that's it. Basically, that's how you put the orders through. It's that straightforward, and that's what you will be doing on a day-to-day basis. Thank you.